Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Today we're looking into a new report from the Irish Independent which says that people in Ireland who use illegal streaming services could soon face fines. Up until now it's mainly been the sellers and distributors getting hit with penalties, but that could soon change. Authorities are planning to follow Italy's model, where users can be fined anywhere between 150 and 5,000 euros. It is thought that first-time offenders would receive the smaller fines, whilst repeat offenders could face the full amount. At the moment there's no mention of court cases or prison sentences, but it looks like these will be on-the-spot fines. There's no mention of court cases or prison sentences, at least for now, and it looks like these will just be on-the-spot fines. It is thought that subscriber information seized during police raids on illegal streaming providers will be used to identify users, similar to how authorities have previously contacted people to raise awareness and encourage legal viewing options. That said, this won't happen overnight. Whilst Irish copyright law already makes streaming from licensed sources illegal, there is currently no system in place to fine individuals directly. This means that new legislation will probably be needed before any of this can actually take place. Up to this point, the Gardaí have focused on targeting resellers and distributors rather than individual viewers. In Italy, where this kind of system is already active, more than 2,000 people across 80 provinces have been fined between March and April 2025. In a separate move, Amazon has announced plans to start blocking dodgy or unlicensed streaming apps from being used on its Fire TV devices. In other words, apps that offer access to pirated sports, movies or live TV channels will soon be either blocked or prevented from being installed altogether. Amazon say this is part of a broader effort to protect legitimate broadcasters and content creators, and to make sure Fire TV users only have access to verified legal apps. This change is also expected to impact users who have side-loaded unofficial apps or modified their devices to stream unlicensed content. I hope this video has been of use to you. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and remember to hit that like, subscribe and notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!